ValQ is a very innovative and a revolutionary product that we have created to the world of planning and simulations. Large enterprises are able to afford planning solutions so they can do budgets and forecast and take some strategic decisions. But if you really think about it, the planning softwares are really very expensive. They are not very agile, they are not self-service. So what we have done with ValQ is we wanted to bring ValQ to the masses. We wanted to disrupt the customer base by visually allowing them to optimize and plan, at the same time also visually simulate, so that they can take strategic decisions very quickly. It doesn't need any infrastructure. It will run on your current BI platforms. It runs on SAP, it runs on Microsoft Power BI. So you don't really need any infrastructure needs. You connect your data sources or you bring your spreadsheets to be able to quickly do either financial planning or do supply chain planning or operational planning, demand planning, or even headcount planning. It doesn't really matter. Now, it doesn't stop just with planning. You can use that to do what if analysis. You can do simulate. What happens my material price goes up or down? What happens if I suddenly lose a lot of people to attrition? ValQ allows you to do all of those what if simulations, analysis, and able to do how it is going to impact my business visually.